Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming permits and then measure the skirt line. This ensures you meet code and avoid rework. Once done, mark footing centers every 4 to 6 ft and note any grade changes so supports align. You choose galvanized steel panels and adjustable jacks because they resist corrosion and allow leveling. Make sure to buy stainless fasteners to prevent rust stains. Gather a small, basic excavation tools and a level so you can begin installing footings and piers immediately. You dig pits and pour concrete piers sized for local frost depth. This creates a stable foundation for jacks. After the concrete cures, set adjustable jacks under the frame, raise them until they bear lightly, and then tighten lock nuts so the load is shared. This prevents sagging. Next, align galvanized panels, overlap seams 1 to 2 inches, and fasten them to the bottom rail with stainless screws to prevent corrosion. As you work, check level and frame, pressure every few panels to maintain even support. You finish by sealing panel seams with elastomeric caulk and installing vents and service access doors so systems remain reachable. Once panels are secure, trim the lower edge so the skirt sits near ground level. Then grade the perimeter and add gravel for drainage to prevent moisture issues. If you spot bowing or gaps later, stop and adjust. Add intermediate piers or tighten jacks to redistribute load, then recheck level. This targeted fix prevents long-term fatigue and keeps the underpinning durable and code compliant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.